Welcome to the Techy Roque. You're watching this video and this is the video of Nitrux OS, and that is different from all other. So first you needed the image from the to download, and this is the you need to extract this. This is not the ISO, this is the image for the virtual box you can download, and after extracting you got this file. For downloading this, open any browser and search for Nitrux image download, and in this website you got it, Nitrux OS, and this is from the osboxes.org. So after opening it, you got the image for the VMware or your VirtualBox. You can download with size 1.6 GB approx. So after downloading it, and if you want the ISO of Nitrux OS, so just go to this website, and this is the official website of this. So from this you can download as you want. So open the VirtualBox, and as you can see you can't open it directly. So just create new and write the name as you want, and select the Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit because this is the 64-bit operating system. And here you need to select the image file of this OS. After selecting it, all done. Now go to the settings of this option and set it like me. Modify the settings with me. Selecting the code, selecting the video memory. You can also modify and specify the shared file or your shared folder. So all set. Hit OK, and now start this. So you need to wait for some time for its process. And as you can see, the user already modified, but the password is not. So password is what? The password is osboxes.org, and you can find the password on the official site of the OS boxes of this operating system. So hit enter, and this is the most beautiful operating system of Linux. This is different from all the Linux distribution. That's the interface of it. And after selecting the resolution, right resolution for you, like this is the best resolution for me. And you can explore all the features that you want in your Linux, and this will not useful for some extra working like other OS, Kali Linux and etc. This is fully customizable. You can add widgets, you can add anything in it, any different interfaces, so cool. So enjoy this. And thanks for watching.